Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. So for the month of November, I always do an eyeshadow palette giveaway every month, and for the month of November it is the Suva Beauty Saffron palette, perfect for the fall. I will put a link in the description box down below that'll tell you how to enter that one, plus all of the rest of my giveaways as well. So today we are unboxing from Lip Monthly, just got here, the October bag. This is a bag outside bag that I have gotten in the past. So let's open it up, find out what's in here. There's usually 4 full-size items in here. So the first product in here is from Bellapierre Cosmetics, and what it is a roller ball shimmer, highlighting shimmer. Full size retails for $8, and it's Bellapierre's Cosmetic Glow Roller. Contains illuminator options and convenient roller from to host a wide range of skin tones. Formulated with only 3 safe and natural ingredients, these rollers contain pure pigments that are applied directly onto your skin and blend seamlessly. They're also buildable. Whether the goal is a natural or glamorous look, achieving the perfect glow has never been easier. It's kind of this blue shimmer, and I don't really do anything blue shimmery wise. I don't do any, the only shimmers I do are either kind of an off-white, a white, or a little bit of gold to it. I don't do the color shimmers, so I'm gonna be putting this one in a giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 600 subscribers, so help us get there. By Hikari Cosmetics is a lip liner, retails for $15. This one is in the shade Trust, and it's a mechanical liner used to define lips, ensure clean lines and long-lasting wear. It glides on smoothly, stays creamy, and blends well with other lip products. How to use: apply the outer edges of your lips in order to define and intensify your lip color. Then apply your favorite matching lip crayon, lip gloss, or lipstick to fill in the lines and give you an amazing Hikari lip. I really like it, and it's a color that I would use a lot. Pretty. From Cougar Cosmetics, it's a European brand. It retails for $10.29, and it's a 24-hour liquid lipsticks, perfect for creating long-lasting, bold and striking lip. Formulated to be quick drying, full coverage, non-smudging or streaking, but completely hydrating all at the same time. Directions: twist the cap off the lipstick, apply product straight to the lips. To create a more intense color, apply another layer. Product will dry matte on the lips. This is a really pretty kind of nude color. I already have a lot of shades that are similar to this, so I'm going to be throwing this one in that giveaway too. The last item is by Cargo Cosmetics, and it is a gel lip color, retails for $20. So it is a lightweight gel texture lipstick, glides on silk, smooth formula, moisturizes and protects the lips, feels comfortable and never drying, semi-sheer coverage with subtle shine, which are kind of the lipsticks that I like. So let's open this one up. I have noticed that all the products in here are cruelty-free, so good job. Ooh, Nelly, that is one bright red. Oh, feels like butter on the hand, love it. So here's what this looks like. I don't know if I can put it over what I already have. This is really pretty, guys. I really, really like this one. I think this is my favorite out of the bunch. So because we are having 2 items to go in the giveaway, let's just do a giveaway in this video. So how I run my giveaways is I use a Google form, and that way you're not having to rely on YouTube getting a hold of you saying, hey, you won your, somebody's replied back to your comment saying, hey, you won. A lot of times YouTube's not great about notifying people that they have a comment, reply to their comment. Anyway, so I use a Google form. It seems to be working out really well. You just put your name and address in there, and then as soon as the giveaway is over, I can just ship it out to you, and I will send you an email saying, hey, congratulations, you won. Your products are on the way. So I'll put that in the description box down below. So #1 rule for all of my giveaways is you must be subscribed to my channel, you guys, and I do this from me to you and to thank you for my subscribers. I will say on this giveaway that just ended, I went through probably 20 people, no joke, 20 people, because I do check to make sure that you are subscribed. It picked a winner, and I was about ready to ship it out, and I was like, let's check, double check, make sure that they are subscribed. Nope, not subscribed. So people are entering and not being subscribed. So I do check, you guys, so make sure that you are subscribed. Must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. YouTube is in no way affiliated with this giveaway. They have nothing to do with it. Give this video a like. If you want a bonus entry, go follow me over on Instagram. That Instagram handle is beautyamab, A-M-A, and the letter B. So let's do something special with this one. So this one will end. I usually do my giveaways for 3 weeks. So this one will end on December 4th. December 4th is the date that is near and dear to my heart. My dad's birthday is December 4th, and my son was born on December 4th. So happy birthday to them. This giveaway will end on December 4th, December 5th. I will pick the winner and send off all the goodies. So make sure to like this video, watch it to the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It's the only way to enter the giveaways. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.